What's up, everybody? Hope you're all having a fantastic day. Welcome back to the channel. It's great to have you here for another exciting video. Today we're diving into how you can start making a solid $10 every single hour. We're going to explore some practical methods that you can implement right away. No fluff, we're cutting straight to the chase. Just real, actionable strategies that you can use to boost your income. These small, consistent streams of income, when combined, are the foundation of financial freedom. They provide a stable base upon which you can build your financial future. If you find value here, hit that like button. It helps us reach more people just like you. And subscribe so you never miss out on more money-making tips. Stay updated with our latest strategies and insights. And for those paying attention, drop "How to get free USDT" in the comments for a shot at a $30 gift. Don't miss out! It's our way of saying thank you for being an engaged member of our community. The goal: give you practical ways to start earning right now. No complicated business models or risky investments. We're keeping things straightforward and safe. We're talking about simple, legit methods. Anyone can use leveraging skills and resources you already have. You don't need to go out and buy anything new to get started. So grab a coffee, get comfortable, and let's break down how you can start earning that consistent $10 per hour today. We'll walk you through the steps. Let's get started. First up, let's explore some online hustles you can do right from the comfort of your home. These are great ways to earn some extra money in your spare time. Survey and micro-task sites like Amazon's Mechanical Turk, Prolific, and Swagbucks offer a variety of simple tasks. They pay for your opinions and for completing simple tasks. It's a great way to make your voice heard and get paid for it. Stack a few of these sites together and you'll be well on your way to hitting that $10/hour mark. It might take some juggling, but the rewards can be worth it. Got basic skills like writing or graphic design? Try Upwork or Fiverr for freelance gigs, a great place to offer your services to a wide audience. This could include data entry, proofreading documents, or even virtual assistant work, providing administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients from a remote location. Start low to attract clients, get those glowing reviews, and then steadily raise your rate as your reputation grows. User testing sites like usertesting.com pay $10 or more for just 20 minutes of your time providing valuable feedback. You'll be testing out new websites and apps, sharing your thoughts and helping developers improve their products. All you really need is a decent mic and a stable internet connection. Want something a bit more passive, where the money comes in even while you sleep? Consider selling your unused stuff on eBay, Poshmark, or even Facebook Marketplace. Just list a few items each week, taking good photos and writing compelling descriptions. Then sit back and watch the cash trickle in as your items find new homes. These methods are straightforward, flexible, and perfect for building up that extra income and achieving your financial goals. Don't be afraid to mix and match different strategies to maximize your earnings potential. Now let's shift gears and move on to some real-world options for making extra money. Now let's shift gears and talk about making money offline in the real world. Opportunities are all around you, right in your neighborhood. You might be surprised at the possibilities that exist just a few steps from your front door. Gig apps like DoorDash, Uber Eats, and Instacart let you earn on your schedule. Perfect for those with time constraints or other commitments. Especially during peak hours, when demand surges and earnings can increase. Earning $10/hour is totally doable, and often much more depending on your location and the specific app. Offer local services, dog walking, pet sitting, yard work, post in community groups, or use apps like Rover to connect with pet owners in your area. 2 dog walks an hour? You're already ahead of the game. Handy? Try TaskRabbit for moving help, furniture assembly, or odd jobs. These often pay $20+ per hour, reflecting the value of your skills and time. Got a skill? Offer cleaning services, car detailing, or beginner lessons in music or sports. Share your expertise with others. Even simple things like driving neighbors to appointments or helping with errands can be a side hustle. The key: spot a need in your community, offer a solution to that need, and get paid fairly for your time and effort. There's money to be made everywhere. You just need to be creative and resourceful. So take a moment to just look around your surroundings. Ready for the final push to financial freedom? You've got the ideas, now it's time to act. Don't just watch, pick one method and try it this week. Action beats perfection every time. Share your results and tips in the comments. Let's help each other win. Remember, comment "How to get free USDT" for a shot at that $30 gift. Earning an extra $10/hour can add up to $400/month with just 10 hours a week. That's real money for bills, savings, or your next big move. The opportunity is right in front of you. Grab it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out my playlist for more side hustle ideas. See you in the next one.